Google Business Profile has a feature that works like a mini social media feed, directly on your listing, visible to anyone who finds you on Google Maps or search. Most businesses have never used it. The ones using it have a consistent ranking advantage. Here's what it is, why it works, and a 5-minute weekly system to do it. Google Posts are updates you publish directly on your listing. They appear on your Google Maps profile and in your Knowledge panel in search results. Anyone who finds your business on Google sees your most recent post, before they visit your website, before they click call. Most businesses, 0 posts, ever. A blank section where there could be evidence that your business is active and worth contacting. Why almost nobody uses it? People don't know it exists. People confuse it with social media and dismiss it. I already post on Instagram. But Google Posts isn't Instagram. It sends a signal to Google that your listing is actively managed. And the ROI is not measured in likes. It's measured in ranking consistency over time. Invisible to most business owners, but real. How it affects your ranking. Google has 3 core ranking factors: relevance, distance, and prominence. Google Posts contributes to prominence. How active and credible your business appears. A listing that publishes regular updates looks more prominent than a static, unchanged one. In my audit of 50 businesses, only 18% had posted in the last 30 days. If you post consistently, you're in the top 18% on this signal immediately. Most local competitors are at 0. 5 types of posts that work. 1. New service or update. We now offer X. Book today. Simple. 2. Weekly special. For restaurants, salons, retail, post your special every Monday. 3. Recent work. Photo from the job site plus 1 sentence. Signals active operation. 4. Customer testimonial. Quote a recent review directly on your listing. Social proof where it matters most. 5. Seasonal or timely. Holiday hours, upcoming service window, a deadline. All of these take 5 minutes. Phone photo plus 1 sentence plus your website link. The formula for a post that gets clicks. Open with something specific, not check out our great services. Try, we just fixed a water heater problem 3 other plumbers couldn't diagnose. Specific creates curiosity. 2 to 4 sentences. End with direct action language. Include a real photo. The weekly system. Pick one day. Monday works well. Set a 5-minute recurring block. Take or find 1 photo. Write 1 sentence about what is happening in your business this week. Add your website or booking link. Hit publish. Done for the week. Google Posts is the most accessible ranking action most businesses have not taken. Free. 5 minutes per week. Almost no competition. If you want posts, photos, reviews, and profile optimization running automatically, check out Ninja at the link in the description. Subscribe. We are covering Google Maps strategy for every major local business vertical.